Hey everybody, this is Brett from Zoomer's RV of Iowa. Today I want to show you a 2022 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2606 WLS. It is stock number LM1529 and we have it on sale for $44,900. As you can notice, it's got the dual 30-gallon tanks. It's got the power jack. Notice it's got the power stabilizing jacks. This one has 2 slide outs. Back here is the rear shower, all your water connections. You got your ladder, takes you up to a fully walkable roof. Got your spare tire. Over here you got a 21-foot awning. Notice the Moride strut assist steps. The nitrogen-filled Goodyear Endurance tires. As you walk into this unit, we'll come here to the bathroom on the left. Full width, plenty of space, nice size shower, plenty of storage. Medicine cabinet. You got the reclining theater seating with heating and massage, storage up above. You got the dinette table with drawers underneath for extra storage. This will also go down into a bed. Over on this side, you got your TV, your radio. You got your fireplace. A little extra storage in there. And also, as you notice, as you walk in, it's got a huge walk-in pantry with a place to hang coats. You got your refrigerator, you got your oven, your microwave, sink. You come back here to the bedroom. This is very spacious bedroom. You got plenty of space on both sides. This also has a slide out, which shows your closet and storage space. This does come with a 15K ducted AC upgrade. If you're interested, go ahead and give us a call at Zoomer's RV of Iowa. All right, thank you.